Hey there, it's Mark Weiss. Whether you are an office-based practitioner, a hospital-based practitioner, doesn't make any difference. If you're billing and collecting, and whether you're doing that in-house or whether you're delegating to a billing service, or if you want to go all fancy on me, to a revenue management company, the story is the same. You can delegate those tasks, but you can't delegate the responsibility to stay on top of what those who are supposed to be doing it are doing. I often see practices, office-based, hospital-based, that have leaders who all of a sudden discover that they have a significant collection issue, whether that's accounts that should have gone to collections and didn't go, whether that's accounts that are in collections, or whether those are accounts that are simply held and purportedly worked currently but without collections, or whether those are accounts, and here's probably the biggest issue, accounts that have been paid, the balance is written off as a contractual adjustment, but that adjustment wasn't warranted. So, this is not a recording about the liability of, say, a third-party billing service, although there are questions. What this is simply a reminder that out of sight can't be out of mind when it comes to your bottom line. And if you don't have someone in your practice, in your group, who is not the person in your group doing the billing and collection, and by definition isn't the person at the outside service doing the billing and collection, who was on top of collections, you are making a major management mistake. If you've been making that mistake, stop it. If you haven't been making that mistake, well, look how smart you are.